Hello everyone, my name is Akash Kiran Khajekar. I am a student of Dr. D.Y. Patil Institute of Management Studies, and today I want to share a biography of Richard Branson. He is a founder of Virgin Group and also an entrepreneur. Richard Branson full name is Sir Richard Charles Nicholas Branson. He is born in 18 July 1950 in Blackheath, London. He is called as an English business magnate, founder of Virgin Group and also a powerful investor who runs 400 companies. He was knighted, that is, received the title Sir for service to entrepreneurship. He is a school dropout student and suffered from dyslexia from his childhood. Dyslexia means a condition affecting the brain that causes difficulty with reading and spelling. But he turns his dyslexia into his strength. He built two qualities. First, he become a delegator, and second, he become a good listener. Now, I would like to talk about contribution that he made towards Virgin Group and entrepreneur. He created a diverse business empire under one brand name Virgin. Virgin now operates in over 35 industries include first one is music, Virgin Records, airline, Virgin Athletics, Virgin Australia, telecommunication, Virgin Mobile, space travel, Virgin Galactic, finance, health, and hotels. Now we see the journey of Virgin Group. Virgin began as a small mail order records business and then expanded into multiple industry. Key milestone in 1970, Virgin Mail Orders started selling music records at discounted price. In 1973, Virgin Records opened his first recording studio in Oxfordshire. Major artists signed Mike Oldfield, The Rolling Stone, Culture Club, Sex Pistols. Virgin Records became one of the world's top music labels. In 1984, Virgin Athletics launched his own airline to compete with British Airways. It became famous for exceptional customer service, luxurious experience, innovation in aviation. In 1990s, Virgin Group expansion Branson expanded into Virgin Trains, Virgin Mobiles, Virgin Radio, Virgin Money, Virgin Hotels. Now we talk about innovative business approach. Branson encouraged risk taking and creativity, often entering industries dominated by big players. His bold marketing and willingness to take chance made Virgin stand out as a rebellious and customer focused brand. Now we can see the hiring tips. Richard Branson has a hiring tips. First, he knows your strengths and weaknesses. Second, he knows your team's strengths and weaknesses. And third, he recruits team members to balance out your weaknesses. Now, talking about business philosophy, Branson is known for risk taking, breaking industry norms, customer first approach, treating employees like family, building strong brand identity. One of his famous quotes is screw it, let's do it. Richard Branson is also famous for attempting world records, crossing the Atlantic and Pacific in hot air balloons, setting speed records in boats. This adventurous increased global publicity for Virgin. Now, talking about awards and recognition. So, Richard Branson knighted in 2000 for service to entrepreneurship. Consistently appears on listed of top influential entrepreneurs. Recognized for promoting innovation, sustainability, and humanitarian projects. Philanthropy Richard Branson. So, Branson is deeply involved in environmental causes, poverty reduction, education, and health disaster relief. He also founded Virgin Unit, the charity wing of Virgin. So, now talking about the net worth of Richard Branson. So, his net worth typically range between 3 to 5 billion, fluctuate with market condition. Now we see the personality traits. So Richard Branson is a friendly, bold, adventurous, love challenges and breaking rules. He believes in learning by doing. Lives on his private island, Necker Island in the Caribbean. Now talking about legacy. So Richard Branson is considered one of the world's greatest self-made entrepreneur, a master of branding, customer experience and innovation, a symbol of dreaming big and taking risk. Richard Branson has many famous quotes, but Richard Branson always said that the secret of success lies not in doing your work but by recognizing the right person who can do on your behalf. For hiring, Richard Branson always said that hire people who are better than you. Look for people who aim for remarkable work. That's all about from my side. Hope you all like the information about Richard Branson. Thank you.